Good morning, students. Welcome to the Samta Shiksha Niketan online classes. Today we will study chapter number 4, Reproduction in Animals. See, all living produce their own kind. Why? Because to ensure the continuity of generation, reproduction is very important. And the process by which living things produce their own kind is called reproduction. Now, how animals reproduce? Animals reproduce in two ways. First is that some animals give birth to babies or their young ones, and second is that some animals lay eggs, and after that the young ones hatch from the eggs. First, we will see animals that give birth to babies. Animals that give birth to young ones or babies are called mammals. Mammals have hair on their body and they feed their young ones with their milk. Mostly mammals live on land and they breathe through lungs. But some mammals like whales and dolphins, they do not live on land and they do not have hair on their bodies. Tigers, lions, goats, dogs, elephants, horses, rabbits, human, etc. are mammals. In the mammals, the babies are formed inside the body of mother, where they stay for several weeks before being born. After the birth, their young ones need care, and the parents take care of their young ones or babies, and mother feeds their baby with their milk, and the babies need protection till they can take care of themselves. Now we will see animals which lay eggs. See, birds, fishes, snakes, frog and insect are some animals which lay eggs, and their young ones hatch from that eggs. Now we will see the structure of an egg. See, outer covering of an egg is called egg shell, and eggs are covered by a protective hard covering, and the center of an egg contains the yolk, and the bright white spot which is present in the yolk will develop into a baby, and the yolk provides nourishment to the growing baby or embryo. The white watery substance which surrounds the yolk is known as albumen, and this albumen protects the embryo from germs and shocks. Now, different stages of development from an embryo to an adult, it is known as the life cycle of animal. So, we will see the different life cycles. First, we will see the life cycle of a bird. Adult birds sit on their eggs and they keep their eggs warm, and the process of keeping eggs warm is known as incubation. Inside the eggs, embryo goes so many different stages of development, and when it will grow fully, it will break their shell and come out as a chick. It is known as hatching, and the chick grows to become an adult bird. We will see the life cycle of a hen. First, the hens will lay their eggs, then it will hatch. After that, the baby chick will come out from egg and it will grow into an adult hen. Now we will see the life cycle of a fish. See, a fish lays almost thousands of eggs at a time, and these eggs do not have shells. Instead of shells, they are surrounded by a jelly. This jelly protects the eggs from water and predators, and many eggs and young fish are eaten by bigger fish, and only some of the fish grow to become an adult fish. Now we will see the life cycle of a frog. See, we know that frog can live on land also and in water also, but all frogs lay their eggs only in water. A female frog lays eggs in cluster, and this cluster is known as spawns. Their eggs are also protected by a jelly like substance. Their baby is called tadpoles, and tadpoles hatch from these eggs, and they looks like a small fish, and that tadpoles start developing legs as they grow. In about 11 weeks, these tadpoles transform into an adult egg, and the complete change in an organism when they grow through different stages of its life cycle is known as metamorphosis. Now we will see the life cycle of reptiles. See, reptiles like lizards, snakes, crocodiles, turtles, they also lay eggs. See, snakes lay their eggs on the ground, but turtles and crocodiles, they dig shallow pits near river banks. The egg gets their warmness from the sunlight and hatch in the absence of parents. Some reptiles like crocodiles, they look after their young ones. We will see the life cycle of crocodile. See, crocodile lay eggs, and after that the crocodile hatch from an egg. Then it will grow into a young crocodile, and after that it will become an adult crocodile. Now we will see the life cycle of insects. Insects lay egg which go through several stages to become an adult insect, and their stages show metamorphosis. We will see the life cycle of a housefly. See, the life cycle of a housefly has 4 stages. Housefly also lay hundreds of eggs at a time, and larva hatches out of the egg. This is called maggot, and maggot looks like a worm which do not have legs and wings. Then the maggot will grow into a pupa. Pupa will also grow after some weeks in a young housefly, and which breaks open the cocoon. Now we will see the life cycle of cockroaches. Students, grasshoppers and cockroaches, they have only 3 stages in their life cycle. A young cockroach develops from an egg. It is called a nymph, and nymph does not have wings, and they shed their skin for so many times before becoming an adult, and the process of constantly shedding the old skin, it is known as molting. So students, now I hope that you understood that how animals reproduce. Thank you and have a nice day.